9:26. I think I'm recording. Anyway, yes I am. It says it at the top. Right, I've got to keep this short. This is attempt number 3. The other 2 have failed miserably. I managed to record the last one, but it didn't upload or any of that. So quite a disappointment, really. Anyway, I'm using this as a test, so I've got to keep it within 15 minutes to upload it. I'm going to try and keep it to 10. I've got a little help tonight with Stella Artois. Going down quite well, actually. And the name has stimulated me to introduce briefly stellar beam calcite. This is from a mine in Tennessee. Absolutely beautiful. This sort of calcite only comes from there. And this bridges dimensions. So I'm hoping this is going to beam my video onto YouTube. Something else I have with me is a channeling quartz. Now, how do you recognise a channeling quartz? This is a problem people have. You actually count the faces, and not the faces of the actual crystal itself. Quartz has 6 faces. It's the actual sides of one of the faces. Now, this has got a very large front face, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. That's it, 7 sides. But also is backed by a very tiny triangle. Now the size of the triangle varies, obviously. This is slightly out of proportion probably, because it's a huge 7-sided face with a very tiny triangle, but we won't talk about being out of proportion. And what this does, this bridges from a lower 7 to a higher 7. Explanation of that is through the chakra system. 7 chakras, 3 lower chakras, base, I'm talking too fast, base, sacral, solar plexus. You've got the heart as a middle principle, higher chakras being the throat, brow and crown, making the 7. Now, the middle principle, the heart, connects to a centre above the crown, which is the soul centre, which is the middle principle for the higher 7. So the throat, brow and crown become the lower 3 for the higher 7 of the soul, which above that in relationship is intelligence. These are divine aspects, by the way. Intelligence, love and will. That's the higher 7. Channeling quartz comes in all sizes, to be honest. You can get it in a very small rough point. I've got another polished piece here, which is this one. Now this particular one here is used quite effectively in groups and for when I do healing through time and space. Now this one wouldn't, in the middle of a group, really do the job, if you like. It's a little small. So in this instance, size does matter, but this one has also got at the bottom a phantom. Can you see that? Which represents the journey of the soul. With the smaller one, you can place your thumb on the 7-sided face to access the higher 7. Possibilities of that are endless, which could be take me way over the time I've got, really. So we'll just say hello to Stella. Basically, there's the channeler. So you can just render yourself quiet within the space where you are. Focus on that 7-sided face. Now if you can bring your attention to your heart centre. Through the 7 you access the lower 3. Bring those energies down to the solar plexus, sacral, Via a line of light from the heart centre, you go up to the soul centre above the head, above the crown. Place your identification there. Bring the energies down through the crown, brow and throat centre. Now via the soul centre, which you place your identification with again, which can be a sphere of brilliant light. You identify divine intelligence above, divine love above that, and divine will. Those form a triangle. Imagine that in your mind, a triangle of will, love and intelligence. From the centre point of that triangle, you bring those energies down through your chakra system and down to a centre beneath your earth, beneath your feet, which is an earth centre, therefore bringing those energies down to the light geometries of the earth. That's a simple meditation. I'll keep it brief. This is the sort of stuff I'm going to be doing. And obviously, I need people to subscribe to this really, because apparently I need 1,000 subscribers, which is an awful lot, obviously, to be able to go live, which is what I would like to do, because spontaneously live, I don't want to edit stuff at all. I just need to go with the moment. So, okay, we'll call that it. I should say no more.